If you're joining a Precision Bench class or mentoring session for the first time, and you're using a computer that uses Google Chrome as a browser, you're probably going to see a screen like this. It'll show you whether or not your microphone is working on your computer, and you can also test your speakers for sound. If you get green lines with your microphone and you can hear this sound from your speakers, then you can use your computer's equipment to participate in a session. If you're having problems, you can also switch to a phone call. This will allow you to use your phone as a microphone and your speakers for the session. You simply dial this number, use this access code, or use this audio pin in order to connect. Most of our sessions have dial-in numbers from different countries, and you can find out which countries have phone numbers by clicking this down button. If your computer audio works, we recommend sticking with those settings and then clicking OK, I'm all set. Once you connect with your session, it should look like this. On the right-hand side, you'll see a control bar. The purple flower at the top will allow you to switch to a desktop version of this application, and we'll talk about that more in a minute. This green button shows you whether or not you're muted or you're unmuted. When it's red with a line through it, that means other people can't hear you. When it's green, it means that other people can hear what you have to say and potentially background noise in your location. This hand icon allows you to signal the organizer that you have a question that you would like to ask. If you want to share your webcam, you can click this button. It'll give you a preview of what you'll be broadcasting, and it also lets you switch between cameras if you have more than one camera connected to your computer. Once you're sure you want to share your webcam, you can just click this button, and your picture will appear like this to everybody else who's participating in the session. There's also a chat feature. If you have a message for the organizer, then you can type it here. And the organizer will receive your message and help you out in whatever way would be appropriate. Some additional things that you can do in this window is you can drag this dividing line, which will help you either emphasize the webcams that are being shown or the screen that's being broadcast from the presenter. And you can also bring it up to full screen or bring it back down again. Now, sometimes people have problems either sharing a microphone or sharing a webcam. And if you're running into one of those problems, the easiest way to fix it is to go and switch to the desktop version. This is a more complex version that uses the drivers on your computer directly instead of going through your browser on your computer. All you need to do is click that purple button, identify why you're switching, and then click Switch to your desktop version. When you get this prompt, make sure you just click Open Go-To Opener, and you'll automatically switch to GoToTraining's native application. You don't have to log in and out again. The control panel changes a little bit. This top orange arrow lets you hide the detail from this menu that'll appear on the side of your screen. You can mute or unmute your microphone by clicking this button. You can share your webcam and unshare it. You can go to full screen mode or back, raise your hand or lower it. And then you've got the chat feature down here in the corner where you can send your message to the organizer. You also have a few more features. If somebody is sharing a webcam, you can control how the webcams show in this particular mode. You can move the webcam displays around your screen. And you can also change which webcam has preference by clicking in the lower right-hand corner of the webcam image. I do want to note that in the recorded versions of these sessions, you don't have the same ability to be able to control which screen is dominant. And that's why the organizers try to limit when webcams can be shared and when they can't. Another neat feature is you can take screenshots by clicking this button. So if something is being shown on the screen and you want to preserve it for afterward, simply click screenshot and it will save an image to the desktop on your computer. If you have any questions or any other problems during a session, please don't forget to use this chat session to talk to the organizer so he or she can help you out. I hope you enjoy your session.